Igoto gochaka nenkwana ya yomurai bwense omusikoli tokolia lero nabo igochikura kwaera ni gomule yomurai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta berega kurenkwana ya yasemargoba ya bono nene gukwanera igoro yobocholi nabo igokonyara okwanda okona chakwa berego kurewa nekegambiro Uhuru Kenyatta nigate bire buna bakenya tigabaitabirane na banchirane nagosikeke gambiro ase okona chakwabo abakuroli tokolia lero Uhuru boigo nigate bire merobeli yogo chikubwato kubura igochia asomo konyo yo William Samuel Ruto oyoromura yomochola sense ya Kenya nigo ya chaka benestari kikumi omoti nyoga 5 na gatatu mage chukura kwaera igate bire bunana chikubwato ke ebinto byonse biganiri gochia ase William Samuel Ruto erikonyara gochikura ense ya Kenya boigo niga bakire mbiyamono ane bali babere bakubwa ebirugo aho asobo cholwa bogokorekana omwako yegastari kyando moti nyoga 5 na gatatu negochinga kijirate birebuna bakenya mu bwato busubule nabo gotwara umurembe anene maiga yechikure chiga koera.
Fellow Kenyans, on the 9th of August of 2022, Kenyans participated in an election that ushered in new leaders at all levels of our governance realm. Following a dispute in the presidential election, a petition was filed in our Supreme Court for determination of validity of the results, and the Supreme Court has today pronounced itself on this matter. When I was sworn in as your president, I made a pledge to the country, a pledge to uphold the rule of law and the decisions made by the judiciary on all matters appertaining to our governance. Today, the Supreme Court made a ruling on the presidential dispute, upholding the results announced by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission on the 15th of August, 2022. And in keeping to the pledge that I made to uphold the rule of law when I took the oath of office, I commit to executing the orders of this court to the letter. The process of handing over is in progress through the Assumption of Office Committee, which actually has already begun its work as of August 10th, 2022. And indeed, it is my intention to oversee a smooth transition to the next administration, and all the necessary orders to facilitate this process have already been issued. Is the only way we will build our democracy. I want to take this opportunity to thank every single Kenyan for holding a peaceful election. And for this, I want to thank God, and I want to thank our political parties, but I also want to thank every single individual Kenyan for bringing us thus far. I want to wish well all who have won as they guide our country into the future. And I thank you all for the opportunity to serve, and I say, may God bless you all, and may God bless this great republic.